Hello, this is the Fun with Electronics Project 6 part 1.b.i hardware verification. So this part we're asked to have AI make a circuit kinda in the same vein as this one that'll detect AC power. So in order to do that, I downloaded this project manual and I fed it to AI and said do this part. Cool. So this is the first time I did that. It gave me a whole bunch of nonsense, and I honestly have no idea if this would work or not. It was way more complicated than I wanted to build based off of a bunch of text. And then it used like comparators and all kinds of nonsense and some chips that I didn't have, so I didn't feel like bothering with that. And I asked it to make a PDF, and it spit out that mess. We have floating BJT pins. I don't even know what that is. We got an op amp with not hooked up at all correctly. It's a whole mess. So I prompted it again in a very similar manner. Fed it the project manual, said do this part with the simplest possible circuit. Cool. And then it did that in a much better way. That's what it gave me, which in hardware looks like this. Cool. I actually have it running right now, so that's the input coil. And this thing is very, very sensitive, maybe a little bit too much so, but it works admirably. So when it gets remotely close to AC power, which we can see, it's pointing near stuff that's AC powered, so the LED kind of starts to come on. As we get close to this AC power cord, we see the LED is full on, and as I move away, then it turns off. Point at my computer, which is apparently using some AC power stuff. Or there's a AC power strip right over there. And once we kind of point over there, it turns on. So when we get in the general vicinity, which is very broad, we get the LED to turn on, and when we get out of that vicinity, we turn it off, which is kind of what we're going for. So, cool.